You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. So people, you don't know say Momo, yeah man, the same girl where them call Jamaican cockroach. I mean Mackerel, that's her right name. You don't know say she forward out and say, yo, she never get no beaten. I lie them a tell pan her. Why people so lie? Why people so wicked? So we are going to talk about that after this. So people, I do a story pan her yesterday. You see me do a video pan her yesterday. If you watch that video there, it will give you a full rundown of everything what I talk about right now in case you don't really follow. You see me? So if you watch that video, you can click the video, the suggested video at the end of the screen, or you can click the icon at the top right hand corner. At the corner here, yeah, the icon at the top right hand corner. And then you forward back to this video. So people, she said, I never she said, yo, a long time video circulate. You see me, and people lie and wicked. So I'm play what she said right now.
No man, some man life torment. Some man life miserable. Some man uncomfortable. Everybody has circulate one video. Say my Facebook. But I like to show me which part of my Facebook. The video I got from way back in December. Way back in December the video I got. Some of the life for know what kind of hype when I try to look on the circulate the video with them on Facebook. You see one girl, everybody talk about me go take the wrong girl man and the girl beat me. But never take a wrong girl man yet. Because if you take your man, you go keep your man. It can never wrong. Someone wants to show me which part of my Facebook. You just show me the mark, the scar or whatever. You two enough and plenty. And that's why I want to try it. So I can't try it about. I want to make sure you come good. And I come on.
So people, yo, I don't know. Me don't know. Be sure me see one scar I top her forehead up here so. But she has say I know she. Well, technically she never deny being in the video. But she has say a whole video from December. Basically, me not even sure what she has say. She has say her face not get bust up. But then she has say the video gone long time. And then she has give you a specific date, as in November, specific month, where say the video gone. So obviously you know about the video, and from when me I say it look like a you up on the video for true. Some people me not gonna play that video. So people wanna tell me what you think if a she in the video for true. But me have to talk about that girl here, yo. Me rate that girl here. She just forward out on social media. She talk the things them. Yo, she have confidence like whoa. If not for una girl it have confidence, like how that girl here have confidence, yo, una don't reach a far way in her life. You see me? Because watch her now. That girl here know how she look already. She know say her forehead big, you know. She know say her forehead big from bow. Right here so go right up in the camera up there so. You see me? She know already. But she still a forward on social media and she still a tech girl, man. Come on now. How you don't feel if that girl take your man? Ladies, uno comment in the comment section. You da feel happy or you da feel sad? I mean, you must feel sad if you know say she take your man. But then again still, she can look like that, you know, and still have some wonderful qualities. And people, me not this her. Me no want this nobody complexion. I no want this nobody features on them face. God make everybody beautiful. You see me? But alright, me do so me I go say still. But differently still is a nice girl. She just wants some money spent on her. You see me? Is a girl I'm gonna take up, and if she have good ways and good qualities, me that probably all wife for her too. But then again, she would probably go take one next girl man for me. But people, more wanna check out that next video here of she. And her name on Instagram is Mackerel, so you can go follow her. Official Mackerel, that is. Even though people are call her Momo, Jamaican Momo, cockroach and all these things, you see me? Mackerel are official name, official Mackerel. So you check out that video here.
Tell the truth and just speak the truth and who vex me not care. Nobody can stop a man if a man want to go. Man, we have them good women here. We are wash, cook and clean. Some girl want miles for feed boy. I see if the man decides they want to go, there's nothing you can do about it to don't make the man go. Because look what, where the man see, probably you wanna see it in a person. So a man will left him good woman for a cockroach like me. and second for a cockroach like me. So enough people for stop killing up themselves over man. That's all back in the day something. I'm modern time now. If you are share, you're sharing. Still I can't get the chance to take over. Like me.
Yo, Jano Star, me rate that girl yo. You saw me I tell her say confidence is on point. Yo, the girl call herself a cockroach. You see me? The girl say, a man, we have a good woman at them yard. You see me? And still left figure there with a cockroach like she. And people, it might sound like say a joke she are making, but a real thing, a regular. Me see them thing they happen, you know. Man have them woman a yard. You see me? Woman a work a bank. Woman a politician and all these things. And people me not talk Portia. But the man still walk out and go there with some, me not gonna say low life because me not this nobody again, but go there with some better years, girl. You see me? So she a say, yo, she take a whole heap of girl man she take. You see me? And she's a cockroach and all these things. But people, as I say, she are the new sensation. You see me? Me rate her confidence. Me rate say she not bleach. Me rate how she black. And you see say she black and cool. As I say, she can be the spokesperson for the black hypocrisy something. The woman empowerment something. With Spice I do. You see me? I hope somebody see that girl here and I don't know. I just hope say she make it big on social media. Because I see that she do. And people, wanna check out the ads here what she do for the party here. You see me?
So we are represent for.
Say I don't know so that one your name stronger now. A sugar than big bad party. This Friday, February 22nd, I Fairview at Kimber. I don't know me I say all of the ugly girl them come out. All of the group good girl them come out. And I say up to the nice clean man them. Only just come shell the bar. I don't know say me I say me myself I go there. I'm want all of the girl them come wine on a man, grab a man, all if I'm my man, then we can beat you after.
Yeah, people are she that. Anyhow, still, it's your boy DJ Chaddy. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And you can go follow Mackerel. You see me, official Mackerel. I will post the link in the description. So you can just click it and go follow her. Yeah, restaurant. You see me? She try to make it in a social media thing and I tell you, I rate her confidence. And I just make people know this is not a paid advertisement or nothing. I just see her, rate her confidence and all these things and I say, girl, go on a road. Go on a road, cockroach! It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And I'm out.
Ugly and proud and comfortable.
Ugly and proud, tell them.
Comfortable.
And comfortable, not hungry. We're not hungry.
You can't hungry.
She not hungry.
Come out.
She not come out.
And
stay clean.
Mackerel official.
Yeah, tell them. Yeah.
Nice and clean. Who did come out today? Come right to all these things. Yeah, just a touch on just come phone and all these. Look better than your woman, by far.
Yeah.
Better than your woman, shape better than your woman,
yeah.
cleaner than your woman.
Yeah.
Look better than your woman.
Yeah.
By far.
Yeah.
Alright?
Alright.
Yeah. So don't come back with that again.
Are you afraid? Are you afraid? You look better than one.
By far. Me a girl, me not really like people, man. I just like going at people life. I just like mash up people relationship. So I just like to go. I just like to go and take over. So I take a girl, man. Me not no fear. Not all, doubly. Not at all. Not at all. Tell the truth and just speak the truth. And who vex me, no care. Nobody can stop a man if a man want to go. Man, we have them good women here. We are wash, cook and clean. Some girl want miles for feed boy. I see if the man decides they want to go, there's nothing you can do about it to do make the man go. Because look what, where the man see, probably you wanna see it in a person. So a man we left him good woman for a cockroach like me. And second for a cockroach like me. So enough people for stop killing up themselves over man. That's all back in the day something. I'm modern time now. If you are share, you're sharing. still can't get the chance to take over. Like me.